much. And thank you so much. And now moving on to the speaker, Toastmasters Bhojan, recap Toastmasters, over to you.
காலையில் காடு சென்று மாலையில் வீடு திரும்பும் விவசாய பெருங்குடி மக்களே. This sentence followed by the sound system provided by XYZ, the mic set operator. The 90s and 80s kids very well aware of this dialogue. Similarly, each and every Toastmaster meeting, GE reports contains this. Role players and speakers are requested to hand over the stage with handshake. In our last in-person meeting, first time in Toastmasters history, TM Modi refused to handshake with me. And he also said, go and wash your hands frequently at home. I had a doubt. TM Modi, you are not even handshaken with me. Why you want to wash my hands? He said, who told we have to follow it? Okay, tell me who told why we have to wash the hands? Who knows? Who told? I told. It was like enna veno, ennada veno. Good evening, my dear Toastmasters and guests. Today I am going to recap the things happened after our last in-person meeting. Still I am saying good afternoon, vanakkam. I am not able to handshake with anyone in person. Apart from that, I came home, went to wash hands. This sound, stop, not like that. And that lady voice. Any guess who is she? It's Priyanka Chopra. He also demonstrated how to wash hands. After washing hands, I changed the channel. Now, why you changed the channel? Go and wash your hands. It's my wife's voice. Honey, you want me to wash hands just for changing the channel? It's not for changing the channel. You touch the remote, go and wash hands, sanitize the remote. I've sanitized, washed hands. I'm done, honey. She said, okay, good, go and wash hands again. Now why? Because you touched the sanitizer. It repeated. That's when our big boss announced clapping task. I'm not going to talk about that in detail. It may be turned as a taboo topic. First time in the history talking about clapping and lamp lighting become a politics. But from that lighting task, the sari challenge introduced. I don't know who introduced it, but it was very popular, very simple task, very interesting. All we have to do is update your WhatsApp status wearing traditional sari. It's very nice. I myself and all the married men felt blessed for lockdown due to COVID-19 for that single reason. Very simple. Anyone know why? You can unmute and share your answer. Dinesh might be know it. If this task is happened when the shops are open, we all men might have went for sari purchasing new saris. Can you imagine the quantum of purchase of saris? Oh, it's huge. After that, followed by cooking challenge. That's the time I turned as a full-time tasty piece. Judge. I'm a judge. I'm an evaluator. My evaluation on all the dishes is like this. top notch. I like the taste very much. The smell is very good. Wow. Apart from that, I had to say one comment. Tata Salt quality is improved a lot. I'm not saying salt is extra. Quality is improved. And I want to say about one particular, one especially this dish that is called Dalgona coffee. I hope all of you tried. Till today, I could able to find two differences from the Dalgona coffee and normal coffee. Normal coffee served in a cup. Dalgona coffee served in a mug or mug size cup. Second thing, normal coffee tastes like coffee. Dalgona coffee, till today, I'm thinking what is the taste of the Dalgona coffee. But it is named as coffee. I am accepting it as a coffee. I have no other way. Jokes apart. After that, I went to purchase the webcam. That's when I noticed a woman is looking at me. I also looked at her. That's time I remembered the eye contact, body language, whatever I have read in the book in our lockdown period. I wanted to apply all the techniques. I also looked at her straight eye to eye contact. She moved towards me. I also 2 steps moved, looking at her eyes. Closer. She came very closer to me, not too closer, with social distancing. She is going to say something. You know what she said? How is your wife and children? This voice I heard somewhere, I remember. Oh, it's my wife's friend. She is very powerful than COVID-19. I have to reach home before this information reaches home. I rushed up, but we are living in a technology-driven world and failed. Friends. After that, what happened? Happened is happened. No worries. Please don't apply any eye contact techniques as long as mask is on face. Save yourself to avoid lifetime quarantine and self-isolation from your life. Over to you, TM Modi.
Thank you so much, Toast